Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel. Today I want to show you an amazing thing you can do with Barkeeper's Friend. I read about this product a while back, and being a bit skeptical, I thought I would try it myself. I'm not getting paid for this video. It is just unsolicited advice, like when your mother-in-law comes over and tells you how to raise your kids, or how to do things the way she thinks they should be done. Anyway, Barkeeper's Friend is amazing. I just saved myself $150 by using this to clean some of my old dishes instead of replacing them. They look so much better, almost like new. I'm hoping my husband or kids see this video and use Barkeeper's Friend to clean the rest of my dishes for Mother's Day. This stuff is toxic, so make sure you wash the dishes once or twice in the dishwasher with your toxic dishwasher soap before using them to eat off of. Once again, don't eat off of the dishes until they are washed thoroughly. That would be as stupid as listening to someone tell you to drink Clorox or other disinfectant to protect you from COVID. You just don't do it. Toxic chemicals do not belong in your body. Look at the difference in these dishes. It is so amazing. You can also use this product for great results in your toilet or sink as well. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms channel. Hope you enjoy our bloopers. Shoot, my gloves don't match. We need to tape this again. You know, I do not like the way this stuff smells, but it sure does an amazing job. Hey, keep the video on the dishes. I'm still in my pajamas. Maybe I should market my homemade dishcloths. I started making them when I was stuck at home with the pandemic. They come in all sizes. That's because I had a hard time figuring out how to keep the edges straight. If you like this video, please subscribe so one day I may just be able to have someone endorse my videos.